Okay, everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the MetaTrader 4 app. Okay, I got an Android, but if you have an Apple, you're going to go to the App Store. I got an Android, so I'm going to go to the Play Store here, and I'm going to go download. I'm going to put up here MetaTrader 4, and you see it right here, the top one, MetaTrader 4. Click on that. I'm going to install it. All right, so it's installing right now. Okay. Let it install. It's running a little bit slow on my phone today. Taking its time, isn't it? Wow. 100% now. Come on. We'll get to where it says open up. Taking its time, isn't it? Maybe I should have already had this done. All right, installing now. I had it on my phone already, but I took it off so I could show everybody exactly what to do. Okay, now I'm going to open it up. All right. Now I've already got MetaTrader 4 on my computer. I've already got my account set up, right? So now I just want to view it on my phone. So it comes up like this. Now I want to actually open up an account. Okay. So I'm going to click on quotes. It's going to say manage accounts. So I'm going to click on manage accounts. All right. Now I'm going to go to the plus sign up here and add my account. It says log into an existing account. I already have a FX Choice account. So I'm going to log into an existing account. I got to find my broker. Click on find broker. Okay. I'm going to type in FX Choice because that's who I have. Now, we were told to get the FX Choice Pro account. So I'm going to scroll down to the FX Choice Pro demo. All right. Now I'm going to log in. My login is my account number. 216100. That's my account number. Then I'm going to click my password. Okay. Put in my password. Then I'm going to click sign in. Save password. Click sign in. Okay. Now that signs me in. As you see, the green demo sign just came to the top right corner there. That lets me know that I'm logged in. And I'm logged into a demo account. And you see the number, my balance populated, $5,088.68. That's what my account is right now, along with my name and the account number. Okay, so if your account does not, once you sign in, if it does not come up with that demo in the top green corner right there, that means your login is invalid. You're not logged in. So now I can click on this I, and that's going to give me my information, my account number, my name, the properties pretty much. Okay, my balance, my leverage is 1 to 200. Okay, and it's a pro demo account. So click OK. Now, on the bottom down here, you see all these symbols, right? You see these symbols. The first one is just all the indexes, all the different symbols, okay? All the symbols. The second one is the charts, the graph of the one you're looking at, all right? Okay, because the first one says EUR USD at the top. So if I click on the second symbol at the bottom, it's going to show me the chart for EUR USD, all right? The third one is where I can actually monitor my trades. I'm monitoring my trades. Wow, I'm in a $108 drawdown right now. But if I click on the next one, see, I can scroll up and down and see, right, all my software, right? See everything is running. I mean, see all my trades that are running, correct? You see them all right? If I click on the next one, the envelope right here, that's going to show me my profit, okay? Profit is $85. All these are trades that have closed out, either winning or losing, trades that have closed out. As you can see, there are more winning trades than there are losing trades, right? Okay. Now, if I click on this calendar in the top right beside the arrows that are going up and down, if I click on the calendar in the top right here at the top, all right, right up under my battery, click on that calendar, it's going to show me how much profit I've done today. If I click on last week, it's going to show me the total profit for last week, $88. And that's as far as mine going to go because we just started trading, right, just last week. But if I click on that calendar again, I can also do custom period. I can say I want to, if we've been trading a while and I want to see how much money I made between April 16th and April 24th and hit done, it'll show me everything I've made between those dates. But of course, we just started trading, a few days ago, so really can't go back that far. But that's how you work this. Okay, that's how you work it. And then if you go all the way to the right, the chat symbol over here, you can actually, sign into their community, their MLQ4 community, and chat with them. All right. But to see my open trades running, the triangle, the arrow shooting up look like a pitchfork. The third one from the left, that shows you my active trades, my equity, my free margin level, and my actual margin. Okay. Everything in blue is winning trades right now, right? Everything in red are the actual losing trades. But, we don't worry about that because the software will hedge it out. It says I'm $108, $9 in what we call drawdown right now, meaning negative right now. But it will turn around. The software will do its job and hedge itself out. Okay? All right. Again, my profit is the next one, the envelope right beside the truck, right beside the arrow and the pitchfork. Right? That's my profit. And these trades are closed out. Okay? So that's how you do the MT4. And if you wanted to add another account, once you go and get your live account, you want to add it to your phone, you go back up here to where it says all symbols at the top left with the picture. Click on it, and you're going to click Manage Accounts, and you're going to come back here, all right? And you're going to go back to the plus sign, and this is where you will log into now your live account. Once you get your live account, log into an existing live account, okay? See, I can log into my other live accounts on here too. I just haven't done it yet because remember I said I deleted it so I can show you how to install it. All right. But that's how you do that. Okay. All right.